And this is the situation. This is my phone. Also the glass is broken and the upper glass is broken too, and it didn't get on, it didn't get off. Oh, take a look at this, my double chain. Hello. Nothing, my poor phone. No, sorry. Rest in peace, dear. Bye. Anyway, I'm vlogging just to let you know that I am okay. Also because I want to make like 1 or 2 vlogs more before starting to think into my next ceramics video to do, which is like so near. I think it's like 15 days or less, or 10 days. I don't really know. I don't even know which day is today, guys. I can't see the calendar on my phone. I don't really know which day is today. Anyway, let's go to have a breakfast and have some makeup on. So this is my coffee machine from Nespresso, and this is my new baby for making the cappuccino, and it's called Aerocino, and it's red like my machine. So I'm gonna put this up and choose a coffee. If you think for me, I'm gonna do this Ethiopia, and for mom I'll restrict with no caffeine. Here they are. Ethiopia. This is a new coffee. Oh, I think it's good. Oh my gosh, look at this home. I'm ready to go and get my new phone. Oh my gosh. I'm happy but worried too, because I use it to, well, not use it. Actually, I broke everything. I am so clumsy. I let fall everything. Let's say I broke a glass and also plate, not the selective plate, of course, another plate, a white plate, simple white plate, and I'm so worried, I'm so afraid to make it fall somewhere, even if on the website it's written that it's much more stronger than the older iPhones, and it can also fall on the water. It didn't happen anything, but yeah, I'm worried. Anyway, I'm ready, and I think that we can go. So let's go.
I'm filming from my mom's iPhone. Here it is. iPhone X.
I'm testing my camera, my iPhone camera, and the quality is really good. And I'm home. I'm testing out the phone with no light, and yeah, it's not that bad without light. Let's put a really small light to see the differences. Don't watch my shoulders on this pajama. I guess it's a vintage one. Oh. Well, I went to test the camera because, as you know, I am a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos, and if I have a problem with my actual video camera, I need to have like another video camera, an extra video camera, the iPhone 1, to make sure that to finish the vlog. Okay. And yeah, this is my room. All my beautiful paintings there, all Italian artists, young artists. And I'm sitting on my sofa. I think this one is really scary. Sometimes I'm afraid to show this painting on my videos because she's naked, if you see, but I need to censor it, otherwise like YouTube would shut down my videos, and I don't really want it, baby, because dear YouTube, this is a painting, this is art, this is not pornography, but I'm gonna cover it anyway because you can never know that. You can never know how YouTube reacts and how people react, because if YouTube reacts, there's someone who reports you. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube channel, even if it's really weird video. I'm not used to make such weird video, even to talk so much to the camera. Anyway, I show you some room because we went after making the iPhone, which was a so long process because I had like so many problems. The old one, we went around Rome. It was a sunny day, it was really good. And this is like the first copy of my book. It's broken, if you see, because it came broken, but we decided to keep it. This is one of my favorite sweet book, and oh my gosh, this is so old. This is Fruits, from the Fruits magazine. There are lots of the Japanese fashion during the night. So cool. There's some Lolitas. I'm gonna search for them. Yes, here they are. They're wearing both Mon and Mochi. Look at their shoes. And I loved this headdress. So cool. These are other Lolitas. Oh gosh, this was so old school. I missed when Lolita was like this. I really missed this. And here I'm testing the very camera, guys. This is me, my crooked nose, and glasses because I didn't see. This is the portrait mode with natural lights and photography sets lights. I don't know how it's called in English, I'm sorry. The contouring lights, which is very cool. The theater lights, which is a bit weird because if you're moving, it makes like this ghost effect. It's really scary, it's creepy. And this is black and white, always theater lights. Really cool. That's everything for today, guys. Thank you for watching this. I don't know how to say this, how to call this video. Anyway, I hope you like my room, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see some videos better than this, I promise. Bye.